Okay, let me start this video by saying that I think that every person could benefit from speaking to a financial advisor. And if you never had the opportunity to speak with an advisor, there is absolutely no harm in exploring a few free discovery calls. In this video, I'll break down everything that you should be asking your advisor to make sure that you're squeezing the most value out of them. My name is Ash, I'm a financial planner based in London, and I help my clients make informed financial decisions to live their ideal lifestyles. If you're interested in booking in a free discovery call with me, head down to the description and you'll find a link to book that in. In today's world of modern products, we've all gotten so used to browsing through comparison websites to find the perfect product for us. However, when it comes to services like financial advice, comparing options becomes a lot more challenging. Financial advisors come in so many different forms, and each firm I've worked at in the past has had a unique relationship with their clients. This lack of standardization makes it difficult to find the advisor that matches your needs best. If you found yourself stuck in analysis paralysis, this video is tailored to help kickstart your financial journey. In this video, we will explore 6 crucial questions that you should be asking your advisor to make sure that you're squeezing the most value out of them. So let's get into the questions. Question number 1. How do you get paid? Financial advisors can receive compensation in a number of different ways, and it is crucial to be aware of how they are getting paid, as it may affect the advice that they're giving you. There are 3 common compensation models that advisors tend to use. The first is percentage of assets under management. This method involves an advisor charging you a percentage fee of the assets that they currently manage for you. Typically, that fee ranges from about 0.75% to about 1.5%, and this is charged annually for assets like pensions or ISAs. In most cases, any research, administration, or recommendations should be included within that fee. The second type is fee-based. Some advisors charge a fee based on a project or a set of hours worked for any kind of advice that they're giving you. This approach is usually seen in lifestyle planning services, where advisors focus on creating comprehensive financial plans for their clients, tailored to their specific goals and needs. The third type is commission-based. In certain cases, advisors can earn a commission from a financial institution or an insurance provider when they recommend specific products. These are commonly seen in products like insurance policies or mortgages, and in the past, they were quite common with things like pensions and ISAs. This isn't the case anymore. One thing to watch out for here is that it may create a conflict of interest with the advisor if they're prioritizing higher paying products over your best interests. I personally use a combination of all 3 types of these in my own practice. It's important to be cautious of advisors who claim that their lifestyle planning advice is going to be included in their ongoing advice fee for managing your investment portfolio. This could result in less attention given to your lifestyle planning needs and more going towards the investment planning because they're not getting paid anything extra for providing you any more value. Being aware of how the advisor gets paid is so important to make sure that the advice that they're giving you actually aligns with your best interests. Question number 2. Are you regulated? In the UK, it is essential that advisors are regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. This ensures that they meet specific requirements and always act in your best interest. Regulation provides you with protection and peace of mind. When an advisor is regulated by the FCA, it means that they have gone through rigorous checks and must adhere to strict rules and guidelines. This significantly reduces the chance of bad advice and always keeps your interests at the forefront. The Financial Conduct Authority plays a huge part in protecting consumers. They set standards for financial advisors, ensuring that they are always competent, knowledgeable, and acting with integrity. The FCA also enforces rules and regulations, and in the case of misconduct, they can take relevant actions to protect consumers. If you come across an advisor that is not regulated to give advice in the UK, that should raise a huge red flag. By working with an unregulated advisor, you leave yourself open to the risk of potential scams or dodgy practices. The good news is that verifying your advisor's regulated status is a very easy job. You can check on the FCA website, where they maintain a register of all regulated firms and individuals. If an advisor is not listed there, it's best to steer clear of them and find a regulated professional instead. Question number 3. What are my all-in costs? When it comes to managing your finances, it's not just about how much you earn or how much you invest. It's also about understanding the costs that are associated with your investments. These costs can include administration fees, management fees, and other charges that can apply over time. Ignoring these could have a substantial effect over your long-term financial growth. Even seemingly small fees, when compounded over time, can eat away at your overall returns. So it's extra important to make sure that you're always paying competitive levels of fees. When seeking financial advice or considering investments, don't be afraid to ask about every cost that is involved. Transparent communication with your financial advisor is crucial, and understanding these costs will help you assess the potential impact on your long-term financial goals. Question number 4. What services do you provide? Not all financial advisors are the same, and understanding the range of services provided by your advisor is essential to ensure that you are receiving the support that you actually need. Asking about the services that are provided can lay the foundations for a strong financial partnership. Some advisors specialize in specific areas like portfolio management, whilst others take a more holistic approach and offer things like financial planning, cash flow planning. Deciding what level of support you might need will help you find an advisor that actually meets your expectations. So before meeting a financial advisor, stop and have a think about what your actual needs are. Are you seeking help with budgeting and cash flow management, or are you just looking for some support with your investment portfolio? The right financial advisor will tailor their plan towards your specific needs, and they will take the time to understand your specific and unique circumstances. This personalized approach means that they can adapt as your life evolves over time. Don't be afraid to seek clarity on anything that you are unsure about. Question number 5. Where is your proof? Formal qualifications like licenses and certifications are definitely important and a minimum requirement, and all regulated advisors should at least hold the Level 4 diploma in regulated financial planning. But it is equally crucial to find out about the advisor's reputation and personal track record. Someone providing financial advice should be a living example of good financial practices. Understanding their approach to money management can provide valuable insights into their credibility and expertise. When it comes to trusting a financial advisor, social proof can be a game changer. Feel free to ask for testimonials from current clients, as hearing about other people's experiences can give you a sense of whether the advisor has the ability to deliver results or not. Question number 6. Why are you a financial advisor? Asking why can unlock a wealth of information about your financial advisor. Beyond their formal qualifications, learning about their journey in this industry can help you understand their passion in the field and commitment to helping clients succeed. I personally have always found myself using maths and logical reasoning to navigate through life. I also love building relationships with people and helping them out where I can, and I enjoy listening to their stories. I felt like becoming some sort of advisor to people would suit me best. And ever since I got a receptionist job in a wealth management firm, I've never looked back. Understanding my own why has guided my career in wealth management. Just as I discovered my own drive, asking your advisor why they chose this industry can reveal their own personal journey and their own values. Overall, knowing the right questions to ask your advisor can significantly impact the results that you get out of this relationship. Remember that this is your own financial journey, And being actively involved in the decisions that you're making can make all the difference in living your ideal lifestyle. So take the time and prepare for your next meeting. And if you're still yet to meet with a financial advisor for the first time, go ahead and book in that free discovery call.